So who do we have today? Kelly! Welcome back, Kelly. Oh, you're getting examined and cleaning, and you're getting your braces off and getting your retainer. I remember when you were in my first video, Kelly. Now let's take these braces off. Your teeth are looking so far amazing. Now let's get the top. Great job. They look amazing. Good job keeping your teeth really good with braces. Now we just have to take a look at them. They look really good. All good. Now it's time to polish her teeth. She chose chocolate fluoride.